Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and this amazing series. I'm Aditya. In this video, we will see how we can add SEO features or how can we make our website SEO friendly in Nuxt 3. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so when it comes to a web development or having a marketing website, at that time you also need to take care of your SEO. That means it refers to if you have a good SEO, it will take your website up in the Google search ranking. If you have a poor SEO, then it will take you down. Now, generally, when it comes to single page applications like dashboard apps or certain applications where you just need client side rendering, SEO doesn't matter because, of course, those things are not meant to be SEO friendly. But what if when you have a marketing site and you want to add SEO features in that? So if I go to homepage, you will notice that here I have a title which says localhost colon 3000. I'm on Chrome, by the way. So on Chrome tab, it shows like this, but I don't want this because, of course, if I have something like this, my website won't be indexed properly and Google crawlers may not be able to index it also properly. And plus, my website won't be ranked properly in the Google search. So how can I make it SEO friendly? Well, with Nuxt, there are two ways to do it, and both ways I would say are pretty developer friendly. So one way is using the useHead composable. So let's give it a try. So here inside our page component, so inside pages index.view, as we are trying to first define meta tags or those head tags for our pages, because whatever we use, whatever we do with use head, that will go inside the head tag of our HTML. So let's give it a try over here with use head, and of course no need to again import it. Now title will be home Nuxt 3 demo. Let's give it some other meta tags. Now here meta tags, or generally when it comes to HTML meta tags, they are like, we just don't provide one meta tag, it's like list of meta tags. So here what it does, it takes an array of JSON object. So let me give you an example. So let's say I want a meta tag of name, description and content with some value. So here I'm going to say name, description, content. Let's give it like this is Nuxt 3. Oh, sorry, I need to wrap this into brackets. Yeah, like this. This is Nuxt 3 app demo. Now, if we save this and go back to our website over here, give it a fresh reload. Okay, let me just quickly restart it again. So we are currently, oh, I need to also remove the set timeout. You will see we have this title over here, home Nuxt 3 demo, and let's view page source so that we can see if this is SEO friendly. And there we go, we have the title, plus we give some meta description. So this is Nuxt 3 demo. Did I put H capital? Oh, sorry for that. So here we go. Now, what if we want to add those OG tags? Like OG tags are generally useful for Facebook card or Twitter card. They have Twitter titles, something like that. So let's give it a try. So here, of course, it's going to be a meta tag. So we can say name. Sorry, that's going to be property actually, because that's how they're uh, structured. So we will have OG colon title, and then we could have the content which says this is OG title. Just a random example. Now, if we refresh the page and see in our view page source, let's wrap this like this, and we should see, there we go, our meta property OG title. So this is how you could make your SEO or website SEO friendly by adding this meta tags. You can also add other tags like link. For that, again, it's gonna be array again of objects. So here in link you have rel, so it's gonna be, let's say, style sheet, and let's give it some href or some source that wherever it is coming from. So here let's say it's coming from https, or let's say it's coming from the same this style.css. So if we go back again over here and now refresh this, or also you can refresh this here, you will see that we should have our link tag there we go. So we have it over here. So this is how you could add style sheets as well and other things that you need for your web app. Now, most of the time, you might need some of these things like in common. For instance, let's say your icon over here. In this case, currently I'm having Vercel icon because I run Next and Nuxt on same local host. That's why I just cached it. But let's say we want some other icon over here. Let's say we want some like this logo over here. So for that, we can also define our meta tags globally using our nuxt.config.ts because our nuxt.config.ts is a file where we can define configurations for our entire application. So there we can have something like this, and there we can define for the link using the same syntax or some like shortcut icon, and then the href or the link the URL would be our that svg logo or some png icon of this title over here. But what if like we want to use component like structure? Because this use head is amazing, that's fine, but what if you want some component like structure and make it sound like, okay, this is pretty much like HTML, or make it seem like it's HTML? Well, good thing is Next comes up with built-in meta components. So for that, we first need a head component, and inside our head component we need to get in those tags one by one. So title tag, now last time if you notice, I was having this title over here, so that's why it was getting clashed with this title over here. That's why I have to change it to custom title. Now I'm gonna say here same thing. Let's copy this from here and paste it over here, and let's remove this from here. And then we can also have the meta tag. All we need to do is whatever tag we want to use, it just starts with the capital letter. So make it as a component. Then here we will have a prop of name, which will be description. Then content will be this content over here. Let's copy this from here, paste it over here. And we can also do for link scripts, because it remains same. Like even if we want to have script, we can have it script, and then again we can have src, and then the list link to the script, generally useful for Google tag scripts or G tag scripts or those Google Analytics script tags. So we can have those over here. We can also do something like this over here. We can have script tag and then add the other scripts over here. And we can do the same thing for meta tag. So here I can write meta property OG title content OG title, and also we can have link component which has rel of style sheet, and href going to, let's say, style.css somewhere in the public folder. We'll see how these assets are served from the public folder as well for now, but let's just keep it like this. And now let's go back over here, refresh the page. Everything works as it is. Let's see in the view page source as well. So we have title, that's great. We have the description, we have the OG title over here, that's perfect. We have the link over here, that's perfect. So we can have these SEO friendly tags using the head component and other components like whatever does come with Nuxt. So all you need to do is whatever head tag tags you have to use, like say title tag, link tag, meta tag, script tag, you just need to write it in a component syntax, like starting with the capital letter. And if you want, you can also use useHead to have it written through JavaScript. So that's all in this video. In next video, we will see how we can write our own composables and have it imported inside our view app or inside our pages or our components. So see you in the next video. Till the next time, goodbye.